So class, now I am going to start with the next topic, that is division of fraction. First, I will define what is reciprocal. Two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. So what do you mean by reciprocal? If two fractions are multiplied together, then their result will be 1. Then they are said to be reciprocal of each other. For example, 4 by 9 and 9 by 4. Then both of these, if multiplied, we will get 1 as the final answer. So what is the reciprocal of 4 by 9? 9 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4 by 9. Next is the division of fraction. So the division of fraction states that if first fraction a by b is divided by the second one, then what we have to do in order to find the result, we have to replace this division sign by multiplication and take the reciprocal of the next fraction. What is the reciprocal of c by d? D by c. Let us understand with this example. 4 by 9 is divided by 5 by 6. In the next step, I have replaced this division sign by multiplication sign, and whatever with this fraction will be reciprocaled. We will get 6 by 5. So 4 by 9 into 6 by 5. After multiplying 4 6 are 24 and 9 5 are 45. If it can be further simplified, you will get the final result. Next, on the basis of this, we will solve exercise 2c. This is the last exercise of this chapter, and try to see and learn how I solved some of the question. Based on this, you have to solve the remaining questions of this exercise. Question number first is, you have to write the reciprocal of 5 by 8. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 8? 8 by 5. Next, simplify. The question is 4 by 7 is divided by 9 by 14. So what you have to do in next step? You have to just replace this division sign by multiplication and take the reciprocal of 9 by 14. Reciprocal of 9 by 14 is 14 by 9. So what will be the answer? 8 by 9 is the answer. Third one is divide. Divide 11 by 24 divided by 7 by 8. So in order to divide, we have to replace the division sign by multiplication and take the reciprocal of 7 by 8. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 8? 8 by 7. So what we get? 11 by 21 as the final answer. Next, coming on to the word problem. 18 boxes of nail weighs equally. Their total weight is 49 1 by 2 kg. How much does each box weight? So there are 18 boxes whose weight is equal, and their total combined weight is 49 1 by 2. You have to find the weight of each box, one box. So weight of 18 box is 14 1 by 2. Converting this mixed fraction into normal fraction. In the next step, in order to find the weight of one box, we have to divide this 99 by 2 by 18. What is the final answer? 11 by 4 kg. 11 by 4 kg is the weight of one box. Next, question number 8 I have solved. Vikas covers a distance of 22 by 3 km. Vikas covers a distance of how many kilometers? 22 by 3 kilometers. In 7 3 by 4 hours on foot. विकास जो है 2/3 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करता है कितने घंटे में? 7 3 by 4 आवर्स में पैदल. हाउ मैनी किलोमीटर पर आवर डज ही वॉक? आपको ये बताना है कि कितने किलोमीटर उसने ट्रैवल किया एक घंटे में. तो सबसे पहले हमने यूनिटरी मेथड यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया है. इन 7 3 by 4 आवर्स विकास ने कितने डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया? 22 by 3. कन्वर्टिंग दिस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन into normal fraction, we get 62 by 3 किलोमीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड कि एक घंटे में विकास ने कितने किलोमीटर ट्रेवल किया. देन व्हाट यू हैव डन, 62 by 3 divided by 31 by 4. Where this 31 by 4 comes? we have converted this 7 3 by 4 in normal fraction. 4 7 28 and 28 plus 3 31 by 4. So I have divided, this equation comes. Now in order to simplify this, in the next step we have to replace this division sign by multiplication and take the reciprocal of this. Taking the reciprocal of this will give 8 by 3 as the required answer. So in 1 hour Vikas travel 8 by 3 kilometers. Next is also a word problem. 24 liters of milk was distributed equally among all the students of a hostel. If each student got 2 by 5 liter of milk, how many students are there in a hostel? इस क्वेश्चन को समझने के लिए 24 लीटर जो है मिल्क जो है बच्चों में बांटा गया, एक हॉस्टल के बच्चों में बांटा गया, और एक बच्चे को जो है 2 by 5 लीटर मिल्क मिलता है. तो आपको ये बताना है कि पूरे हॉस्टल में कितने बच्चे थे. सो टोटल अमाउंट, कमिंग आउट टू द सॉल्यूशन पार्ट, टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क इज 24 liters और each student got how much liter? 2 by 5 liter. So in order to find number of student, you have to divide total amount of milk divided by amount of milk gotten by one student. So what we have done, we have replaced the division sign by multiplication and take the reciprocal of next fraction. 5 by 2 is the reciprocal of this, and when we solve it we will get 60 as answer. So how many students are there in hostel? 60. Next question is, by what number should 6 2 by 9 be divided to get 4 2 by 3? आपको ये बताना है कि 6 2 by 9 को ऐसे किस नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाए ताकि हमें आंसर क्या मिले? 4 2 by 3. लेट 6 2 by 9 इज डिवाइडेड बाई x से हमने डिवाइड किया तो हमें आंसर क्या मिला? 4 2 by 3. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्वर्टिंग दिस mixed fraction into normal fraction. 6 9 are 54, 54 and 2 56 by 9, and then division is replaced by multiplication, and this x will be replaced by 1 by x. Why? Because if we convert this division sign in multiplication, then next fraction will be reciprocal, and reciprocal of x will be 1 by x. And what about this? This will give 14 by 13. So here x is divided, when it will go on to the right hand side it will be multiplied, and here 3 is divided, when it will go on to the left hand side it will comes on to the numerator part, and 14 will go on denominator. So what we get? We get 56 by 9 into 3 by 14. X will comes out to be 4 by 3. So which number should be divided by 6 2 by 9? 4 by 3 will be divided by 6 2 by 9. So this is the completion of chapter number 1. Hope you all understand this lecture and try to complete all these 3 exercises within 3 days, so that in the next week we will start next chapter, that is decimals. So hope student you enjoy my lecture. Thank you very much.